Bank of America app tutorial. So if you want to learn how to use the Bank of America mobile banking app, it's actually quite a simple thing to do. You just have to learn to navigate through the basic interface. Now first of all, download the Bank of America mobile banking application from your respective app store and then simply open it up. And once you've done that, if you don't have a Bank of America mobile banking account, you can tap on get started to finish creating your account, or you can directly go to the login option that you'd be able to find here. Now obviously all you have to do is to make sure to enter your user ID over here first. Once you enter your user ID, you have to go ahead and then enter your password. If you want to set up biometrics, you can do that. If you happen to forget your user ID and password, you can tap on user ID and password option. If you have not yet enrolled for mobile banking, you can tap on the enroll option as well to enroll for mobile banking. And once done, you'll be logged into your Bank of America account. You can use it to deposit checks, you can use it to withdraw money, send money, receive money, and activate a credit card, debit card, order a new credit card, contact the customer care, view your current balance, and just keep up with the status of it. But to give you an idea, this is how you can use the Bank of America app. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.